Dear viewers, this is my 27th video. In this video, I want to take up an important and interesting topic for my talk, the restoration of human eyesight with stem cells. You know, nowadays, globally, many people are suffering from eyesight, the defects in the sight. So, some people are born blind. They can't see. They don't know how the world is, how the nature is. And an interesting thing that went on well in the scientific domain, that the stem cells, the research of stem cells. So the stem cell can be transformed into any kind of cell in the body, any kind of cell. So this is a boon in the hands of the scientists and researchers to proceed to build up structures, to build up organs using stem cells. So suppose a person loses his finger or loses his an organ, loses his sight, loses his eyes. So then our nose, that can be built up in the lab using stem cells. With in the culture medium, the stem cells can be grown to give rise to particular tissue or organ. So this is it not a boon in the hands of researchers and scientists and doctors? Yes, it is really an interesting and very important topic to learn. You know, stem cells come from human embryos of 3 days old. Cord blood, amniotic fluid, and non-embryonic adult tissues. The stem cells come from these sources. Researchers from Tübingen University, Germany, have determined a method to sensitize the retina to light by selectively targeting failed photoreceptors. Combined with gene therapy, the team engineered nano-sensors and succeeded in inducing infrared light sensitivity in retina to restore human vision. That is, vision in the eyesight, vision in the human beings, restoring the eyesight in human beings. That is the beauty of this research. Stem cells are used to restore the human vision. This method prevents saturation of photoreceptors, reducing damage to photoreceptors housed in the retina alongside the nanosensor mediated restoration of light sensitive vision. That's how the human sight which is lost can be restored using stem cell therapy technique and gene therapy. Stem cells could be used to grow fresh retinal cells. See how wonderful it is. Stem cells could be used to grow fresh retinal cells in human beings for transplantation into the human eye, to replace those cells that have been lost by accident or by some fire accident or accident. When patients lost considerable number of retinal ganglion cells and optic nerve axons, stem cells are useful to replace lost ganglion cells and restore the connections from the eye to brain in human beings. See how important the stem cells are to restore the human sight. Dear viewers, if you like my video, you can just share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much, viewers.